everybody, this is Spries and Spries is me, and today I am going to be opening this box right here behind me. I am super duper excited because I've been wanting to get this forever, and I finally got it today. So I'm going to open it up for you, and you guys get to see it for the first time as well as I do. So let's get right into it. Alright, so I don't know if this is called a GT Racer or a G-Tracer. I'm pretty sure it's GT Racer because this is a racing chair. And so I couldn't find my box opener, so I'm going to be using this cool ass knife here. So let's get started. Alright, so this guy will probably be having to put up as in put together. So I'm going to have a hell of a time opening, getting everything together. Ooh, it looks super cool so far. Alright, let's close that. This. Wow. Okay, so this is a huge box. This is a huge box. And it comes with an assembly instructions. Ooh, this is awesome. Yeah, it's in color too. Like, look at this. It comes with like the assembly. And now I have to put this chair together, so you guys might get to see a time lapse of me doing that. Look at this body. It is so cool. The seat of this is very wide as well, which is really cool because I need to have my space when I work. And I'm just going to cut to the chair I was using. So take a look at that.
I hate it.
Yeah, it was not the ideal chair for me, so I'm happy I got this one. It looks like everything came in and arrived. It looks like everything is here, so I am going to get into reading this and putting it together.
Somehow we will find. Just hold on when it's all gone. Somehow we'll move on.
All right. Let me test this. Nice. Finally, I got like an awesome ass chair. And so I can also lift these up, put them on like that. I'm really high up right now and I can lower it. Then I also can sit back like this. This is the chair I recommend getting because it is really cool. I love it. This is amazing. This is a really cool chair. It took a little while for me to put it together, but that could just be because I like to take forever when I put things together and make sure I do it correctly, obviously. But other than that, I really love this chair. I think it's really nice. It's very comfortable. And if you're looking for a racer chair, or if you're looking for a chair for like doing video games or for doing YouTube, I definitely would recommend this chair. So I will put the links down in my description to show you where you can go to buy this chair. They also have it in different colors. Obviously, I did red and black because those are my favorite colors. And so I feel really confident in this chair. I really like it a lot. It was pretty affordable for a chair. It wasn't too expensive. It was priced a little high. So if you're looking for anything $100 and below, you probably would want to look around more on Amazon or other websites. I was looking for a more quality chair, and this one matched really good with the quality I was looking for. So I am very satisfied with this. So thank you guys all for watching. This is Spries and Spries' Meat. And I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.